Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Audiomack app. So let's get started. So here you will just open the Play Store, or you can use your Apple Store also if you are Apple user. So here, or you can use your search button. So here I am using the Google search. Okay, and then you will likely search for the Audiomack app. And then here we can see the Audiomack at the first. Here we should click on here. Then here you can see Audiomack music and music downloader. Just click on here, install, and it will directly automatically download and install the app. And if you want to give the review, just click on here, open the app. Okay, after this, then you have to scroll down and you can give the rating also from here and read the rating also of the people. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.